Hey everybody, John here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the lift supports on your vehicle. Today I'll be working on this 2007 Hyundai Tucson, but the process will be similar on most vehicles. You know that moment when you're putting groceries in the back hatch and the door comes down and hits you on the top of the head? That's a pretty good sign that you need to change your lift supports. This particular vehicle has two sets, one set on the glass, here, and the other on the hatch itself, here. As always, before doing any work, check the manufacturer's specs for your vehicle, and if you're not completely comfortable changing them out yourself, we would be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. But if you are, here's what you'll need to do. Prop your hatch open securely, or have someone hold it up while you work, to keep the tension off of the supports. Use your flathead screwdriver to pry the clips loose at both ends of the support. Be careful and wear eye protection, because these clips are under tension and can pop out quickly and unexpectedly. This should allow you to slip the ball out of its socket at both ends. Once you've detached the support at both ends, compare it with your replacement to make sure they're identical. Snap the ball on one end into the socket, making sure the clip is secure. Then do the same thing on the other end. After securing the support on the first side, repeat this process on the other side. Once both supports are replaced, close your hatch, then open it again to make sure that they're both secure and functioning properly. And if you need to replace the supports for your back window, that process is similar to replacing the supports for your hatch. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores each and every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest, and we'll see you again soon.